All right, hello everyone, and good morning. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for taking the time to see this video. So this will be a continuation of our review of the fundamental rules in English grammar. This time we're gonna be talking about prepositions of time. Okay, so let's start. Let's have a look at our objectives first. Okay, wait. Let me just move my. Okay, there we go. Okay, so for our lesson objectives this time, of course, you have to learn how to use prepositions of time properly. But first, what exactly is a preposition? So it is one of the parts of speech. It is a word or a group of words used before a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase to show direction, time, place, location, spatial relationships, or to introduce an object. Okay? Pero for the purpose of our discussion, we're gonna be focusing simply on what we call the prepositions of time. Okay? Kasi dito maraming namamali eh. So what exactly are the prepositions of time? So there are three. We have, okay, in, on, and at. So marami yung nalilito dito, no? So let's have a pretest first. Okay, so number one, the meeting is blank 2 p.m. So what are we using? Is it in, on, or at? For this, we use at. Okay. Number two, I will see you blank Wednesday evening. So what is this? In, on, or at? We are using on. Okay. Number three, Paite Laguna celebrates its town fiesta blank July 25 every year. On. Number four, the first EDSA People Power happened blank 1986. Answer N. And last item, my birthday is blank March. Answer is N. Okay, so try to absorb the answers first, and then we will explain the rules on how to use these prepositions in the next few slides. Okay, so the meeting is at 2 p.m. I will see you on Wednesday evening. Paite Laguna celebrates its town fiesta on July 25 every year. The first EDSA People Power happened in March in 1986, and lastly, my birthday is in March. Okay, so let's go through the rules. No, when do we use at? We use it for a specific time. Okay, so at 8 p.m., at midnight, at 6:30. So whenever you are using or whenever you are going to mention a specific time, you use at. Okay. Next, we use it for holiday periods at Christmas, at Easter. So, for example, my family had a get together or had a reunion at Christmas. Okay. Next, we use it specifically for the word night. Okay, at night. I was up late, or sorry, I study better at night. So that's one example. No? I like watching Netflix at night. Okay. Next, at the weekend. So, for example, we are going to go on vacation at the weekend. And then we also use at for lunchtime, dinner time, breakfast time. So, what would be an example of that? My family get together to have meals at lunchtime or at dinner time, at breakfast time. Okay, so ayan yung mga rules when using the preposition at. Okay, specific time, holiday periods, and then night, weekend, lunchtime, dinner time, breakfast time. Okay. Now, what about on? When do we use on? We use it to refer to specific days. Monday, uh, my birthday, Christmas Day. Okay, and then we also use it when it's paired with the morning, afternoon, and evening. So, for example, on Tuesday morning, and also for specific dates. So, on the 20th of June. Okay. So, uh, what you would notice is whenever we are talking about a specific date or a specific day, we're gonna be using on. No, basta nandiyan yung actual na araw or yung actual na date, you have to use on, not in, not at. Okay, so just remember that. Specific, if it's a specific, use on. Okay, what about in? So we use in for years. So our example here is in 1992, in 2006. We also use it for months, in December, in June, decades, 60s, 1790s, centuries in the 19th century. We also use it for the seasons, no? In summer, in winter, for those who have winter, and then in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. So take note itong last rule natin. Um, Kasi sabi natin kanina, if we have the specific day paired with the with words like morning, afternoon, or evening, we use on. Pero kung wala yung specific day, we use in. Okay? So, balikan natin. Halimbawa, on Monday morning. Pero kung morning lang, in lang yon. In the morning. Okay? So, ayan. Ganun lang naman kasimple ang rules. On, at, tsaka in. No? There's no reason for you to be confused. Specifically, if you keep in mind na you only use the word on once you have the specific date. So, halimbawa, for example, you say that my birthday is in March. Walang araw, 'di ba? So in. Pero if you say that my birthday is on March 7, ayan, so magiging on na siya from in. Now, what about if you have the month and the year? Ano naman yung gagamitin natin? Halimbawa, March 2005. I graduated from high school. Halimbawa, I graduated from high school March 2005. Anong gagamitin natin? In or on? You have the month and the year. Well, we will still use in. Kasi nga, as long as wala dun yung specific day or date, kailangan in ang gamitin natin. So, I graduated from high school in March 2005. Okay? As an example. So, if I had a specific date, let's say March 30, 2005, then I will have to switch to on. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Now, there are certain words that don't need prepositions. So, for example, next week, next year, next month, we won't say in next week or in next year or in next month. That would be wrong, no? We also don't need prepositions for last night, last year, okay, or this morning, this month. When we have to say, hindi natin sabihin na in this morning or in this month. Every day, every night, every years, etc. No need to add prepositions either. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. So today, tomorrow, yesterday, we're not going to say in today or on today. We're not going to say in tomorrow. Okay. Alright, so what you would notice is, etong mga hindi na kailangang dagdagan ng prepositions, meron na rin kasi silang mga indicator. So, next, last, this, no? Pero, ayun, balikan nyo lang yung mga diniscuss nating rules earlier. Kapag yung mga words halimbawa ay morning lang, walang this, or night lang, walang last. Okay? So, ito yung kind of, these are kind of like the exceptions. Parang ito yung mga hindi natin kailangan ng ng dagdagan pa ng mga prepositions. Kasi malinaw naman kung ano yung tinutukoy. Kasi nga merong indicators na next, last, this. Okay? So anyway, this is just a short lecture, a short review on the rules regarding prepositions of time, no? So that's it. Actually, well, as always, I'm gonna be giving you a link to a short Google quiz for this lecture. So pakisagutan lang. And again, since this is a YouTube video, you can just continue or you can just rewatch it in case you don't, pick up the concept the first time. That's the beauty of having a YouTube video instead of meeting every week. No? And if you have any concerns, if you have any questions, please feel free to just send me a message. Okay? All right. So that will be it for this video. Thank you so much and have a good day, everyone. Thank you.